Hello folks, it's Ron back with Ron's Drone Tech and Camera channel, and today I want to talk about a recent flight with our favorite little drone of 2020, the DJI Mavic Air 2. So I got a chance to get out to a local lake, Lake Lenape. It's not far from where I live along the Jersey Shore. It's inland a little bit, maybe like a half-hour drive over there at best, and I've been hearing about this lake for a while. And what's interesting about it, it has its own little lighthouse. So, I'm going to roll the video and then we'll come back at the end and, talk about the particulars. So, I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video of the Mavic Air 2 flying at Lake Lenape, right inland, right off the Jersey Shore. As you saw in the video, I said it's a local park. It's free there. And the particulars of the flight is I went at a, late in the afternoon. I got there maybe hour and a half before sunset. And, so I had a strong, warm light. It was a perfect clear day, not a cloud in the sky. I would have liked a few clouds, but there wasn't a cloud in the sky. So it was, if anything, it was almost too much exposure. And this was, about the early to mid-October when I did this flight. For my settings, I had 4K 30. And I did not use the HDR. I just had on Descendant Light. And so I just did all my editing and corrections in post, because Descent likes sort of a flatter color profile, so you can kind of take in an app like Final Cut Pro. And I mostly use the color correction wheels or whatever. I don't think I use any LUTs on this. It was mostly just using the wheels to balance the exposure, the shadows, the mids out a little bit, and it was even at the end I wasn't completely happy with my grade. It still was a little bit too warm, still a little overexposed at times, but I hope you enjoyed that. And as far as the flight, the first time I'm flying around, I'm kind of high and far around the lighthouse. I'm using the fly apps, what they call that, it was automatic orbit feature, but I'm trying to get the buzzword that the active track feature. So that was a completely automated circle when I'm kind of the being clips I'm sort of high and away from it. Now the tighter ones near the end, that was manually orbiting on those, so I was able to get a little tighter, get a little faster. Not that I couldn't have done that in the auto mode, but it's a lot of fiddling around with the distance and the speed in the active track spotlight mode, where you manual orbit, just do what you want right off the right off the get-go there. So I thought it was an interesting location. I was hoping maybe even see a little fall color out there, but the leaves hadn't changed also. Maybe I can get back out there another week or two when the leaves start to change and get a little color along that lake there. But that's basically I should have taken some B-roll on the ground, but I didn't get around to it. Sun was going down. I was really having fun flying around out there. It was, as I said, it was low winds. There was no problem flying the drone at all. At one point when I flew down to the lake, I think I flew out, not too far, maybe 3,000-4,000 feet, and then came back to the lighthouse again from that long end. But I had no interference issues out there whatsoever. The flight went as smooth as could be. So all in all, it was a good day. And again, I hope you enjoyed that flight. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel. And ring that bell notification button for my next video. And I kind of got a surprise. I got kind of a new drone coming in here for review that maybe a lot of you haven't seen a lot about it yet. So, new camera drone. So stay tuned. Said I may have something coming up. It could be of great interest to the camera drone aficionados out there. So we will see you on the next one.